With petabytes of data getting generated every day, text categorization has become a key technique for organizing data. Text categorization or text classification is the task of assigning predefined categories to free text documents. This presentation focuses on the classification of newsgroup articles. We will start with a brief introduction to naive Bayes classifier and move on to implement ensemble methods over naive Bayes to improve the accuracy of the classification. Naive Bayes is a simple Bayesian network approach to do supervised classification. It assumes conditional independence between the attributes of data instances given the value of a class attribute. In the context of newsgroup classification problem, each news article is split into words and the relative frequency of each word under each class is calculated during the training phase. The order in which words appear doesn't matter. It is assumed that the words are independent of each other given the class.
So now we will discuss the methods which we are using. The first is ensemble methods. So this method is used to improve accuracy by aggregating predictions of multiple classifiers. So why we are using it? Because combining predictions of an ensemble is often more accurate than the individual classifier that make them up. The second one is bagging, which is also called bootstrap aggregation, and it is a process of using different samples of observations and predictions to generate diverse classifiers. The third method which we are using, we will be using in our algorithm, is boosting. This is a method to make currently misclassified examples more important or less important for some cases.
Our main motive is to classify the given article in different categories. To achieve this, first we have to train our model. So for every news article, we will do the following three operations. First, we will remove the headers. Then we will remove the unimportant words like I, a, the, etc. And then we'll replace the similar words with base word. For example, if we have two words playing and played, they will be replaced with a single word play. Now we have set up n distinct words, say wi to wn, w1 to wn, and these words have to classified in m classes, say from c1 to cm. We will train our model by calculating the probability pwi by cj, which is the probability that word wi will be classified by class j. Once our model is trained, we can classify any new article. Now suppose we have to classify an article which consists of n words, say from w1 to wn. So for each article we will calculate the probability that it can be classified by the given class as pa by cj, where pa by cj is probability that article A will be classified by class j and will be equal to pw1 by cj into pw2 by cj up to pwn by cj. Once probability for each class is calculated, we will find the class which gave the maximum probability and our new article will fall in that class.
So far, we have already gone through naive Bayes classifier for newsgroup articles. Now let's go through ensemble methods of classification for naive Bayes. Here is an algorithm to apply ensemble method. Ensemble method uses set of learned models L1 to Ln to predict the new instance. We can choose the class with the maximum votes for the new instance. There are two major ways to generate these learned models, bagging and boosting. We have already gone through introduction of these methods. Let's go through the algorithm to apply bagging in our problem. To generate a learned model, we randomly select k articles from the training set D. We use this learned model for the classification of the new instance. Let's see how we can apply boosting to our problem. One of the common boosting algorithm is AdaBoost. For boosting, we start with assigning equal weights to each document in the training set. We generate a learned model LT using the probability of document PT. Then we can use this learned model for the classification of new instance. For the next learned model, we apply the learned model on the training data and downgrade the weight of correctly classified document in the training data. We can repeat this process for n learned models.